Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create the restore job for Exchange Online in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Here we have a backup of an email in Exchange Online, and we are going to restore it from this backup. Go to Restore. Just select the recovery point. Please use an account that has the right to authenticate to the Microsoft 365 organization, and copy the code above to complete the authentication. Add the objects you need to restore to shopping cart. And in the shopping cart, you can also delete it. Select the target organization. Recovery method. Select strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now the restore job complete. You can check your restore email in your email box. It has been restored successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.